Alright, we're gonna play some Mercenaries, and I wanna be Wesker, cause Wesker be dogging. I'm doing public assembly. It's the first level. I love this level. Shut up, African. Let's go collect some time. Bitch. Nah, I thought he was gonna flip. Navy SEALs! Alright, come get me. Oh shit. Bow. Yeah, bam. Get him in the leg. What is you doing? Ow, hitting me with a bottle. That's I need to get the hell up out of here. Panther Fang, whatever the hell that means. Let's go. Oh shit. Reload. Oh, he knocked my glasses off. Wesker angry. Wesker mad. Give me your gun. Your bullets. Jump. Shoot that down. Jump. What you doing? This is a time for the triple barrel. Get out of my face. You too. Okay, I had to reload. Let's see. Come on, hit the fire. Woo! What are you doing? Hit the fire! Fucking Wesker. Get down. Okay, let's get the times 2. What the hell are you doing? Dying, that's what you're doing. Get out of here. Get out of here. Bitch. No! I was trying to reload. Get out of my face. Let's head this way. Shotgun ammo. Ooh, damn, don't run up on me. That dude is ashy. Dun 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 dun. Let's keep running. Bloop. Sucker. Oh, he had a rotten egg. I'm gonna kill somebody with it. Who wants to get some egg on their face? You do. Oh shit! That sucked. Oh shit. Run! Out of my way. Gotta get this time, bitch. Gotta get this times 2. Not over there. What the hell are you doing? Oh fuck! Executioner, executioner. I saw that coming. I bet he didn't see that coming, bitch. Yeah. Let's get the hell up out of here! Woo. Go! I need health. Out of my face. I need to get back up that ladder, because the executioner drops. Shit. Come on. Alright, come on, get the health, get the health. Come on, get out of here. Yes! Success! Aha! Get out of my face! No, you hit me with a bottle. I want that green herb. Handgun ammo, handgun ammo. Blast him. Get the fuck up out of here. You ain't dead? Now you are. Oh shit. Yeah, Fuck this. Yeah. Out of the way. Gold egg. Shotgun shello. Bam. Oh yeah, reload. No, oh god. Ah, shit. Woo! Where'd you come from? Gotta use that. Out of the face. Out of my face. Oh, fuck. Shit. Yeah, light her on fire. Bring it. Damn. Get out of here. Oh shit. Go. I need to get the hell up. Got my face. I need to keep on going. Doodle 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 doodle. And reload. Oh shit. You're whack. I can't see. Suck that one, big boy. Yep. Get that. No. Shit. Keep. Woo! Get off. Oh no. Shit. No. I saw that coming. I need to get out of this room. Yes, I do. Go. My escape. Dun, 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 dun. Get your ass out my way. What the fuck did you throw at me? Why you don't prance your ass over here? Get that health. Keep going. Do 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 do. Damn, another one. Yeah. All right, let's go. I think I got all the time. Yeah, I did. Fuck. Out of the way. Do 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 do. Woo! I'm just tearing up. Okay. So he's coming. Let's start getting some times up in this piece. Gotta kill everything before time runs out. They die. Yep. Only 4 of them. Oh. Hope we got 87,000. That was fun. Okay. And that is an S rank. Super.